Hey everybody, and thank you so much for tuning in with me, Letitia McKinney, and welcome to Designing with Letitia McKinney. Well, hello friends. This is your first time here. We would so absolutely love to have you. Our mission here is to inspire our audience with unique signature designs to create unforgettable memories. So if you would like to join our team, we would love for you to hit that subscribe button down below and turn on your bell ringer so every time we upload, you'll be the first to know. Hello friends, and thank you so much for tuning back in with your girl Letitia. So I want to share this quick beautiful DIY that I did. You guys, this is beautiful, so I want to share it with you guys. So I got this brooch right here from Walmart. Let me just straighten that out for you all. I got that from Walmart, and this is a unedited video. And remember, my husband and I the other night was talking about this trim. So I placed the trim on here, and I just cut it to my desire, and I use a Totally Dazzle flat back brooch right there. All I did was just loop it around just like that, as you see, and then just hot glued as I went. Then right here in this area, my friends, we just have some stones right there, and I did the same thing for the top right there. And right here, my friends, I'm going to show you, I just crisscrossed that over to get that look. That's all I did, was just crisscross that over just like that. And I just used some hot glue. That's all I did, was just use hot glue. So that is pretty much it. I got this for $7.99, the jar. I just got the jar for $7.99 at Home Goods. I know that's an imperfection right there, so I'm just going to place a pearl on there because I'm the one that knocked it off. So remember, I got the brooch from Walmart, and also this flat back brooch, of course, from Totally Dazzle. This trim comes from Amazon, and remember, always in the description, tongue twister, you guys, unedited freestyle. In the description box below, I always put in my favorites. And remember, these little stones right here, they come from Walmart as well. So that is it, guys. And I know you get these jars from like not only Home Goods, but Hobby Lobby, and Michael's as well. So I want to show you guys this. I think it's beautiful. You guys will see this, and I know that some people ask like, how did I do it? So I just want to tell you, just place some hot glue on the left and right hand side. This is some trim, like where you can put like wedding dresses and stuff, and I just crisscrossed it over and placed a brooch on there. And then I just took this trim right here, went around to my desire, and just placed those little stones that already have the adhesive on the back. That is it. You guys have a beautiful and blessed night. I will see you all tomorrow. Tomorrow we will be having absolutely fun because tomorrow is family time, and we're going to be doing a whole lot of things. You guys, blessings. I thank you guys so much, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.